This is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Brushless Twinpack, featuring the FPD2 Brushless Combi with the FID2 Brushless Impact Driver, alongside two Redlithium M18 5-amp batteries, the rapid charger, and a carry case. It's available now at its.co.uk. Milwaukee's FPD2 Brushless Combi drill is one of the most popular combis on the market, and it's clear to see why, because you're looking at it, it is a fairly compact tool with only 175mm in length. But on the flip side to that, this thing is an absolute beast, giving you up to 135 Newton meters of torque. And I mean, just looking at it and picking it up, this thing is heavy duty. From the build of the body, the side handle, the metal chuck, everything about this is heavy duty. And I think that's what makes it impressive, is, you know, the fact that Milwaukee were able to get so much detail into such a compact tool. And alongside it, you have the FID2 Brushless Impact Driver. It's high tech and nimble, but once again, don't be fooled by the size. This thing is the real deal, delivering up to 226 Newton meters of torque. With 4 torque and speed settings that can be adjusted on the base of the tool, you are going to be sure to get the absolute most out of any application. Mode 1 for precise work, Mode 2 to prevent damage to fasteners and material, Mode 3 for delivering maximum performance, and Mode 4, which allows the tool to automatically adjust your speed, your impact, and your torque, just to optimize, you know, you're getting the most precision and performance. Now let's talk about Milwaukee Fuel. It is quite a name to live up to, and both of these tools do exactly that. But some of you may be wondering what Fuel actually is. And well, it's a combination of Milwaukee's most advanced and latest technology. Now, I want to avoid using too many buzzwords, but these are both using Milwaukee's brushless power state motors. And essentially what these are motors specifically designed to give you maximum tool life without any maintenance. Both of these tools also feature Milwaukee's patented RedLink technology, which in layman's terms is just a way for the battery and the tool to communicate with one another, meaning that the battery knows exactly how much power to output to the tool, which stops overheating and overloading. And as I said earlier, this set comes with 2 Redlithium M18 batteries alongside a rapid charger, which features ports for both your M12 and your M18 battery, and not to forget a trusty carry case. This Twinpack is a perfect showcase of what Milwaukee tools have to offer. From the heavy duty tools to the latest and greatest technology, if you're looking to dip your toes into Milwaukee and see what they're about, this is a perfect introduction.